All right, so this is the condenser. So there's two main parts. There's an inside part and an outside part. So this is the unit that actually sits outside and sort of does the exchange and does the work. It should have all the line set stuff in it. Oh, look at that cute little line set. Nice. Some mounting hardware. All right. This is the front of the unit. On the back side of the unit is where we actually connect the line sets for the actual refrigerant. All right, now our head unit. Never underestimate the value of, oh, and it's cardboard. Okay, this is a template for this frame. This is what the frame looks like that bolts onto the wall. So I'm just gonna line that up and then everything else will be perfect. 10 points, Mr. Cool, for the nice template. This is the unit, so this is what we call the head unit. So this is the part that actually you see inside the building, inside there. One of the cool things about these is this is super simple. Power, you adjust your temperature up and down. What do you want it to do? You can put it on turbo if you want. So this mounts on the wall. This will be a really cool thing to have. Oh, smart USB AC controller. I did not know it came with that. So this plugs into the unit and this is how you control it from a smartphone. That's cool. Some instructions, we'll read those later. So this is our line set cover kit. So this is actually what protects the physical copper line sets on the outside of the building. So this will be one of the last things we put on. Well, I'm excited to get this thing up on the wall. A little pitter patter, let's get at her.